take the unstructured information that are in clinical trial participation criteria in registries throughout the world and use AI to match your disease, diagnostics, and symptoms to those participation criteria. Okay, on the left here we have the study search attributes. We can search for words in keywords, in the titles. We can search for treatments using Boolean search. We can search for sponsors. We can search for recruiting status. I'm going to pick recruiting and not yet recruiting. We can use the date range. I'm going to go ahead and say in the last 2 years. We can pick any clinical trial registry throughout the world. We can also choose all. I'm going to just search clinicaltrials.gov right now. We choose a location. Right here we have United States. We have a distance. We can do distance search if we choose. We have the disease here, where we have the patient age. We can give our patient attributes. I'm going to fill in patient age. You can see that once I do that, I actually have a longer list of eligible because I've filled in my age. We still have a number of potential. So let's go ahead and look at this potential list, and you can see that it's actually guiding us. Of course, no patient record is truly complete, but it's guiding us to what things we can fill in to complete the patient record to get the most trials. So consent capability gives us another 61 trials. Let's go ahead and say yes. And now we see that we have other potential things. If we fill in our ECOG performance status, we get another 21 trials. So we have the description of what it means. We're restricted, but able to carry out work of a light or sedentary nature. That's ECOG performance status 1. We can see that we have contraceptive use requirement missing. If I say that I'm using it, we get another 11 trials. If we fill in the stage, we get another 11 trials. We've already indicated the disease is multiple myeloma. Right now we support multiple myeloma and follicular lymphoma. We will be supporting other diseases. Let's go ahead and list the stage as 1. And we can get another 1 trial with caregiver ability status. I do have the availability of a caregiver. That gets me another 1. Ejection fraction. That gets me another 3. Pulmonary function test result. If I say yes, I get another 1. If I fill in weight, I get another 2. If I fill in monoclonal protein serum, I get another 4. And so now we are down to no potentials. Everything is eligible. And if we look in here, we have a set of trials, 83, that we're eligible for. We can now look through here. We can add more search capabilities, like searching for a certain treatment, narrowing down our state. But let's go ahead and look at this first one, low-dose radiotherapy. It's a study out of USC. I can look at the treatment. I see that the last update date was quite recent, and it is recruiting. And I can see all the participation criteria here, as well as the brief summary of what we're doing. But of course, then over on the right, we see that we're meeting the criteria. So age minimum is 18. We meet that. Consent capability, we meet that. We're in the ECOG performance range. So if I decide I'm interested, I click apply, and all of my information is then sent to the researcher.